Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Ihsan Romadona and I am from Majalengka. On this occasion, I would like to present Chapter 5, Secrets of a Successful Entrepreneur. CEO Mark Josephson, shown here of Bitlight, the leading web shortening survey would say his success is from all the above: personality, nurturing, or mentoring and experience. 1.1, I am competitive and I want to win. I want you to do more and I want to push. I think that if you don't ask for more, you're never going to get it. Point two, I learned from watching him that you're always working as an entrepreneur. My dad always taught us that it doesn't matter who you work for and who secure check. You work for yourself. That resonated with me. I was the happiest and most successful and most fulfilled when I was building a team and selling the vision and the passion and the dream. And I love growing a business, succeeding as a team, seeing your number go up is just incredibly addicting. Let's talk about personality. Point one, defining thing of personality as the sum of ways in which an individual react to and interact with others. Point two, measuring personality. Measuring personality is a thorough self-report survey in which individuals evaluate themselves on a series of factors, such as I worry a lot about the future. In general, when people know their personality scores are going to be used for hiring decision, they rate themselves as about half a standard deviation more conscientious and emotionally stable than if they are talking the testosterone more about themselves. Point three, personality determinants. Personality appears to be a result of both. However, research tends to support the importance of heredity of environment. Point four, heredity. The heredity approach argues that the ultimate explanation of an individual personality is the molecular structure of the genes located on the chromosomes. Personality is more changeable in adolescence and more stable among adults. Let's talk let's talk about personality frameworks. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI, is the most widely used personality assessment instrument. Or point 20, it is a 100 question personality test that asks people how they usually feel or act in situation. Respondents are classified as extroverted or introvert, E or I, sensing or intuitive, S or N, thinking or feeling, T or F, and judging or perceiving, Z or V. Extraverted versus introverted. Extraverted individuals are outgoing, sociable, and assertive. Introvert are quiet and shy. Sensing versus intuitive. Sensing tips are practical and prefer routine and order, and they focus on details. Intuitives really on unconscious process and look at the big picture. Next, things versus feeling. Thinking tips use reason and logic to handle problem. Feeling tips really on their personal value and emotion. Next, judging. versus perceiving. Judging tips want control and free per order and structure. Perceiving tips are flexible and spontaneous. One problem with the MBTI is that the model forces a person into one tip or another. That is, you're either introverted or extrovert. There is no in between. Another problem is with the reliability of the measure. When people retake the assessment, they often receive different results. Let's talk about the Big Five personality model. Point one, conscientious, conscientiousness, measure of reliability. A highly conscientious person is responsible, organized, dependable, and persistent. Point two, emotional stability. People with emotional stability tend to be calm, self-confident, and secure. High score are more likely to be positive and optimistic and experience fewer negative emotion. They are they are generally heavier than low scores. The extraversion dimension capture of comfort level with relationship. Extrovert tend to be gregarious, assertive, and sociable. They are generally heavier and are often ambitious. Point four, openness to experience. Openness to experience dimension addresses the range of interest and fascination with novelty. Open people are creative, curious, and artistically sensitive. Point five, agreeableness. Agreeable people are cooperative, warm, and trusting. You might expect agreeable people to be happier than disagreeable people. They are, but only slightly. Let's talk about market analysis. Lorem ipsum dollar sit met consectetur adipisking elite etiam matis non spitae osir turpis moris vestibulum purus. Let's talk about openness at work. Often people are more likely to be effect and more comfortable with ambiguity or is related to initial proportion on a job higher in openness are less susceptible to a decline in performance over a longer time period. Next, agreeableness at works. Agreeable individuals are better liked than disagreeable people. They tend to do better in interpersonally oriented jobs such as customer service. They are more compliant and rule abiding, less likely to get into accident, and more satisfied in their jobs. Let's talk about the dark triad. Point one, Machiavellianism. Machiavellianist tendencies might have ethical implication. One studies how high match job seekers were less positively affected by the knowledge that an organization engages in a high level of corporate social responsibility, suggesting that high match people might care less about sustainability issues. Point two, narcissism. Narcissus describes a person who has a grandiose sense of self-importance, requires excessive admiration, and is arrogant. Narcissists often have fantastic fantasies of grand success, a tendency to exploit situation and people, a sense of entitlement, and a lack of empathy. Point three, psychopathy. Measures of psychopathy attempt to assess the motivation to comply with social norms, impulsivity, willingness to use desire to obtain desired ends, and disregard. That is lack of empathy, concern for others. Let's talk about other personality attribute relevant to ob- point one, core self-evaluation, CES. CES are bottom line conclusion individual have about their capabilities, competence, and worth as a person. People who have positive CSES like themselves and see themselves as effective and in control of their environment. Those with negative GSES tend to dislike themselves, question their capabilities, and view themselves as powerless over their environment. Point two, self-monitoring. Self-monitoring describe individual's ability to adjust behavior to external situational factor. Safety high self-monitoring show considerable adaptability in adjusting their behavior to external situation factor. They are highly sensitive to external cues and can behave differently in varying situations, sometimes presenting striking contradiction between their public personnel and their private selves. Point three, proactive personality. Proactive personality identify opportunities, so initiative, take action, and risk self persevere until meaningful change occurs. Compared to others who generally react to situation. Proactive individuals have many desirable behaviors that organization covet. They have higher level of jobs performance. Let's talk about personality and situation. Point one, situation strength theory. Situation strength theory proves that why personality translate into behavior depends on the strength of the situation. It was four elements such as clarity, consistency, constraints, and consequence. Point two, trait activation theory. That TIT predict that some situation, events, or intervention activate a trait more than others. Using that, we can foresee which jobs suit certain personalities. That also applies to personality tendencies. Let's talk about value, the important point one, the importance and organization of value. Values lie the foundation for understanding and motivation, and they influence our perception. While value can sometimes augment decision making, at times they can cloud objectivity and rationality. Point to terminal versus instrumental values. Researchers have integrated several analyses of work value into groups that attempt to capture the shared view of different cohort or generation in the US workforce. Point three, person job fit. There are cultural implications for person job fit that speak to workers' effect, expectation that jobs will be tailored. In individualistic countries where workers expect to be heard and respected by management. Increasing person job fit by tailoring the job to the person increases the individual's job satisfaction. Point four, it essentially meant people are attracted, selected by organizations that match their value, and they leave organization that are not compatible with their personalities. Point six, other dimension of faith. Although version job fit and version organization fit are considered the most salient dimension for workplace outcomes, other avenues of faith are worth examining. This include version group fit and version supervisor fit. Let's talk about cultural values. Point one, power distance. The degree to which people in a country accept that power in institution and organization is distributed unequally. Point two, individualism versus collectivism. The degree to which people prefer to act as individuals rather than as member of group and believe in an individual right above all else. Masculinity versus femininity. The degree to which the culture favors traditional masculine roles such as achievement, power, and control as opposed to viewing men and women as equals. Point four, uncertainty avoidance. The degree to which people in a country prefer structured over unstructured situation defines their uncertainty avoidance. Let's talk about profit report branding. Lauren, if some dollars with a mad constructor, a depicting elite, Etiam Matias, Nanch Vitae, Elephant, Posture, Turpis Mauris, Vestibulum Purus in Valentesque, Telus, El Pelnici. Next website Lorem ipsam dolor sit amet consectetur addipisting elite etiam matis nanch vitae eleven posur turpis mores vestibulum purus in pelis tescu terus edit pelnici. Next social media. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet consectetur addipisting elite etiam matis nanch vitae Elephant brochure to based on race vestibulum boros in Penstabolit Palace. Shumeri Lorem ipsum dorsit met constructor edificing elite etiam matris nunc vitae elephant brochure turfish moris vestibulum boros in Pelentesque elite pelnici. Nam elements next segmentation 20 out of 60. Small business requires branding service. Egg out of 60 influencer use social media service. Let's talk about Sumeri Rafat. Lorem ipsum dollars amet corners. Point two. Lorem ipsum dollars sit amet constructor edificing elititia metis non spitae elefet posture turbish mauris vestibulum purus. Point three. Lorem ipsum constructor edificing etiamatis. Point four. Lorem ipsum dollars amet etiamatis non spitae elefant posture. Maybe this I all from me. Thank you very much. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.